Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's world, and we got DW people back in the building by popular demand. Now, the name of this new watch face that he has is called DW62 Gyro. This one definitely looks nice, very colorful, has a lot of information to tap into. Now, in the AOD mode, I'm telling you people, it has the slickest look for an analog watch face. Totally different from what you're going to see when the watch face is on. But once it is on, I mean, you can tap into many features and functions. It is interactive. I do like the analog look / digital. Very nice, very creative by DW. And let's take a look at it. You got a moon phase right here, which I'm going to tap on. You can go into your weather. Same thing with your date. You can pull up your calendar. So the whole watch seems to be interactive. You got your battery info right here. You got your little meter right here as well. If I need to go in and make a phone call, I can. My music, which I love, I can play right away. And I can go in and send somebody a text message or read a text message. And also you're going to get miles walked or ran. You're going to get your step status info right there. Digital time right there in the middle. You get everything you could possibly need right here. Information on how many floors you climb. Nice watch face, people. And you can also customize the color by double tap. I like this color a lot. But I believe you get like 5 in all, if I'm not mistaken. Just continue to tap till you get to the color you like. And once you do, let it stay. All right, you all, that's going to be it. What do you think of this watch face? Hit me in the comment section down below. I would love to know your thoughts on this one. And if you like the video, please, before you leave, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this and you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. And again, as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.